Welcome to the Progress Report for the Sexually Transmitted Disease Case Report Data Mapping Project being developed by Fireteam X for the CDC's Division of STD Prevention. Fireteam X consists of Walter Reeves, that's me, Michael Rohde, Divya Calicetti, and Chenzi Wang with responsibilities as shown. Let's take a moment to revisit our solution architecture since there have been some changes. In coding parts of our solution, we realized that the HappyFire API layer was more robust than we were initially aware. Because so much of the Fire resource model is already implemented by API classes, much of the work expected to build the import module is no longer necessary. Therefore, no hard separation exists between the receiver module and the import module, so they will be written as a single package instead of two distinct packages. Other than in one area, we are progressing as expected through our scheduled tasks. The area where we are lagging slightly is designing the interface between our solution and the public health agency. Retrieving the case reports from the Fire server in the desired format is being coded already, but we have not settled on the means for the PHA to initiate a request for those reports or the delivery mechanism. We have prepared test Fire case reports by using our STD case report field mapping document in conjunction with case report test data and sample CCDA documents provided for use at this stage of the project. These Fire case reports are allowing us to test acceptance and processing of a report submission as a Fire bundle and to verify the model contents when the same information is provided as a CCDA document. We have created a proof of concept for using a profile to define our collection of resources with their extensions. We have a custom XPatient class that extends from the patient object and implements 3 extensions for ethnicity, race, and occupation as required by the electronic case report. The extensions are all defined in the structured definition resource, and the XPatient resource that extends the patient resource is also stored in the structured definition resource. The XPatient profile was created using the Forge Fire profile designer shown here. We have successfully tested the validation operation of the Fire server with input against this profile. At the application level, these are the tests that have already been passed by our implementation or are currently being coded for. Other tests will follow, particularly for the pull module, which still has outstanding design issues as mentioned earlier. In addition to application level tests, we have created JUnit tests to verify class and method level functionality and to explore HappyFire features and create proofs of concepts while working on the project. Creating tests that interact with the object model provided by the HappyFire API has allowed us to grow more comfortable with programmatic interaction with the Fire server before implementing our solution features. This is a screenshot of the user interface from the IDE we are using with the Play framework for Java to execute the JUnit tests along with some sample output showing the results of test execution. For the remainder of the project, we will continue our development and testing iterations to fully implement the mapping definition created to translate a CCDA initial case report to Fire resources. We will complete the design and implementation of the Public Health Agency interface, and we will also implement authentication to control access to the receiver and pull modules. Thanks for watching the Fireteam X Progress Report.